Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 22nd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, starting with the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see we have the futures trading lower by 5.25 points to 24.95.5 per contract. Futures really sunk, you can see here overnight, right around 10, 11 o'clock on news that North Korea is looking to fire off a nuclear bomb, and they're going to test it in the Pacific Ocean. So, again, we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see what the market does. But so far, the market has been able to shake off any North Korea news, so we'll see if today is more of the same. But in the meantime, we have plenty of stocks out here moving and shaking, and hopefully we get some good action. We've had a great week in the intraday stock chat room, and we're going to look to keep that going today. First stock we want to take a look at this morning is going to be Finish Line. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock is trading at $8.55, closed at $9.22. There really isn't a play or a level that I get excited about on Finish Line. So when I look at this stock, it's just been beaten down, and it's getting hit a little bit more today. So we'll look at this one maybe in the intraday stock chat room if it does form a pattern, but there's not much I'm looking to do with it at the moment. But in the meantime, we have Carmack reporting earnings, and this could be in play today. So again, this stock traded yesterday at the close at $68.84. Today it's trading at $71.20. So I got to think this is a pretty good move higher, but we're getting to pretty good resistance level around 71.50 or so. There's also a lot of resistance for this stock right around the 73.5 to 74 level. So we'll see how this plays out. We'll look at this one this morning, and we'll see if it gives us a level. Right now, if you own it, trail the stop loss because you may get a little bit more of a bump up. If you don't own it, leave it alone. We will look at this one once the opening bell rings. In sympathy to that, let's take a look at Autonation. Autonation not doing much this morning, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Equifax. EFX is the ticker symbol here. The stock is trading around the $100.73 level right now. It looks like they were upgraded this morning by Wells Fargo, so that's a little ironic, but nonetheless, Equifax upgraded, and the stock is catching a bid. Good little move there for Equifax. Has been beaten down as of late on the security breach, so we'll see how that plays out today. Next up, we want to take a look at Sprint. There's renewed chatter out here this morning. Report saying that Sprint and T-Mobile are getting closer to a merger. Sprint catching a nice little bid. Stock closed at $8.03. It is now trading at $8.34. We also have T-Mobile this morning trading right around the 64.25 level. This closed at 63.39. And again, that is talk of a merger between the two companies. Let's take a look at HPE. It looks like HPE, Hewlett-Packard Enterprises, gapping down this morning and then coming right back up. So the stock closed at $13.79. You can see it traded down and then initially right back up. It looks like they reported they're going to cut 10% of their staff. And again, we'll see how that plays out. But usually when you cut your staff, that is a positive for the stock. So we'll see where that goes. Next on our list here is going to be Grubhub. GRUB is the ticker symbol here. This stock is getting hit this morning. Closed at $53.51. Now trading at $50.50. It looks like Walmart is a competitor, is going to be testing food delivery services. So again, Grubhub getting hurt on that news. I believe there's also news that Amazon is teaming up with somebody on a food delivery service as well. So again, Grubhub getting hit here this morning. There are a few different levels on GRUB that we can look at this morning. Right off the bat, I see somewhere between 48 and 48.50 as first support, but we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings, and we'll try to isolate an even more defined number for us. So Grubhub is in play this morning. Again, it's going to be between 48 and 48.50. To be on the safer side, stick with 48. That's probably a bounce level for Grubhub. Here we have U.S. Steel. I believe this is downgraded this morning. Stock right now trading at $23.89. And again, good little pullback for U.S. Steel. I do think there is some support here on the daily chart. So we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, stock is being downgraded this morning. But there should be support right in this general area right around 23.80. Next up, we want to take a look at Fiat Chrysler FCAU is the ticker symbol here. Looks like there's more M&A chatter there that they will be bought out by somebody. Recently, there was chatter that they're going to be bought out by a Chinese company. I'm not sure if that is going to go through, but either way, Fiat Chrysler now trading at $17.90, closed at $17.37 yesterday. Let's take a look at Tiffany, TIF. This is in play this morning. Looks like they were downgraded by Goldman Sachs. Stock is trading at 88.85. You can see it was a little bit lower earlier. Either way, Tiffany really doesn't have a great support level till you get down towards the $86 level. So we'll see how this plays out today. We'll see where it goes. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Normally, when you hear North Korea news, gold takes off. But today it's only up $2.50. Right now, spot gold trading at $1,297.30 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that is trading at 123, closed at 122.68. So gold upticking a little bit, but not as much as it has in the past on North Korea news. We do have crude oil down about 8 cents, not a big deal there. Right now, spot crude is trading at $50.48 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, that's trading at $10.20. So no big move there in crude oil. But we have lots of moving parts out here today, and we'll see how this market shakes out once the opening bell rings. Again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You can trade right alongside of us, see everything that we're doing, and again, get to watch our desktops live. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going today. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.